I'm a patient at Dr. Lipovetskiy's office in Fort Lauderdale. I've been coming here for a handful of years now, always great results. I had some issues sleeping recently, grinding my teeth throughout the night, snoring. He had recommended something to help me with sleeping. It's a device that I wear when I sleep at night, and the results have been phenomenal. I'm sleeping better. I'm feeling more well rested in the morning, no grinding my teeth, and no snoring throughout the night. So it's something that's been an awesome experience for me, and it's been super helpful with me sleeping.